All right guys, so what I have is my camera. I'll see if you can actually see this. So I have my camera, then I have myself, so my camera is showing me. And what I'm gonna do is stand about right here. I think that'll get it so you guys can see it too. I'll hold this up here. At the sound of the buzzer, I'm gonna put my gun up on my shoulder, and then I'm gonna have to find my actual target and engage one round. Now, what I'm gonna do for this is, because it is gonna be live when I do this, I wanna make sure that I'm not flagging myself, my arm, anything like that. So I'm gonna come back here, load it up, and then we'll actually get started. And that's what it should look like. We're gonna try it just one try. There's only gonna be one round in the magazine. That way, if it has some crazy recoil or something, I don't end up pulling the trigger a second time. This is not something I recommend doing at your house or anything like that. I am doing this. This is a trick shot, and this is something that I actually practice with other professionals. This is not something that you guys should just be out there doing. Always practice your 4 fundamental safety rules. This is just something to show you what you guys could bring your level up to with enough practice. So stay tuned, and let me get this loaded up and we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna do one more dry run on that. All right, so here we are. I started my timer as well, so that way we can get different angles of this. I'm gonna press my button and give this a shot. Here we are. I started my timer as well, so that way we can get different angles of this. I'm gonna press my button and give this a shot. Not our fastest time, we're at a 6:41 for that, but we did have a nice hit right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Trick shooting is something I enjoy doing from time to time. It's not what I do every time I get out to the range. I like to shoot practical as well, but as a shooter, it is fun to really challenge yourself and try out things that are not actually practical at all, like something like that. At the end of the day though, safety is your primary concern in ensuring you're not flagging yourself with that firearm or anything like that. So stay safe out there, have fun, go train, take care.